The next tool we want to cover is the parting tool. And again, different sizes. This one is a very thin, narrow kerf, about 1/16 of an inch. This one here is more about 3/16 of an inch. Can reach over a little farther. This one's nice for delicate work or boxes, things like that. This one has a diamond shape, so it's thickest right here in the middle, and it is relieved on the top and bottom so it doesn't hang up in the cut on this. So the parting tools are great tools. They're used to cut stock in half, to part a bowl off of a waste block, different things like that. In this case, in the spindle here, I can part down to set a diameter on that, for that. But the parting tools are very helpful to make parting cuts, to set diameters on that. Now, I've kind of quickly gone over the tools and shown you just kind of the basics and kind of what to look for. Those 5 basic tools, you should have a good set to start with. There's just, there's 5 tools I suggest, but there's probably another 30 or 40 tools that guys use in specialty applications. But start with those basic 5s and those basic cuts, and then you can go on from there.